Grigori Grabovoi, concentration exercises, 15th day of the month. Exercise number 1. On the second day of the month, your concentration technique focused upon the little finger of your right hand. On the 15th day, you can practice this concentration exercise with a different part of your body, such as a different finger or a fingernail, etc., whatever you choose. In every other aspect, you should perform this concentration session just as I have specified for the second day. Exercise number 2, 15th day of the month. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 7, 7, 8, 8, 0, 0, 1. 9-digit sequence. 5, 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 8, 9, 1. Exercise number 3, 15th day of the month. On this 15th day of the month, you can experience that divine bliss given to us by the universal reason, which is thankful to the Lord for having created it. It is grateful for the creation of every one of its elements and for the creation of its high stature that enables it to reproduce the entire universe because God is omnipresent. In a similar fashion, you can also begin to experience the gratitude of the plants and the animals in relation to yourself, as well as the gratitude of other people and their love. You will see that you also feel love for them. Love is filled with creativity and benevolence, and it permeates all things. Universal love, which is within everyone's reach and which reaches everyone, this is the Creator, who has embodied the world through your manifestation. You are the manifestation of the love of the Creator, because He exemplifies love in relation to you. You have received this gift of the Creator from the very beginning, and you are Him yourself, a Creator, because you were created by Him, an all-encompassing, eternal, and divine Maker and Creator. You should go where He is, and He is everywhere. You should go wherever He calls you, since He calls you from everywhere. He is wherever you are, and He is where you might be. You are in the movement of the Creator and the embodiment of His eternity. Follow in the footsteps of His deeds. He has created the world eternal in its universal development and interaction. You will see that the world is being created as eternal, and you will see that the world embodies you as eternal. You are a Creator who has created all that is eternal, and the Creator has made you eternal in the creation of the world, eternal and everlasting.